Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to install fresh animations to any version of Minecraft on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to know that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. If you don't have it already, I'll leave a tutorial linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is download the correct Minecraft files to our laptop so we can install Optifine and fresh animations. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher and select the version of Minecraft you want to download files for. So for this example, it's going to be 1.21.4. Once Minecraft has opened, this means the files have been downloaded. Click on Quit Game. Now we just need to go ahead and download Optifine so we can run fresh animations. To download Optifine, open your web browser and go to optifine.net. I'll leave this link in the description below. From here, click on the Downloads tab at the very top, and then select your Minecraft version. If you don't see it, you may need to select Show All Versions, and then find your Minecraft version. For this example, it's going to be 1.21.4, so we're going to click on the Download button. You'll need to wait 5 seconds for a skip button to appear in the top right-hand corner. When this appears, click on that and then click on the Download button and save the Optifine installer to your Mac. For this example, I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now we have Optifine downloaded. We just need to download the Fresh Animations resource pack. To do this, open your web browser and go to any modding platform of your choice. For this example, I'm using CurseForge.com. From here, we're going to scroll down and click on Discover Mods, and then we're going to click on Resource Packs at the very top. Then search for Fresh Animations. However, it may appear as the first result. So, we're going to click into it. Once you're on the Fresh Animations page, click on the Versions tab near the top, and then select the version of Fresh Animations for your Minecraft version. For this example, we are using 1.21.4, which is this version, so we're going to click on that. Then click on the green Download button and save the Fresh Animations resource pack to your Mac. As a bonus tip, you can also download the Fresh Animations Icons resource pack, which will give you more animations and features. However, this isn't available for 1.21.4 as I'm recording this video, so I won't be installing that today. Now we have Optifine and Fresh Animations downloaded, we just need to install Optifine. To do this, open it up, and if you get this error message, it means we need to approve it within the system settings. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner and then click on System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. In here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Optifine listed here, and click on Open Anyway. You then want to click on Open Anyway, and then you may need to enter in your Mac password or Touch ID to open it. After a few seconds, it will open, and it will look like this. Now we simply want to click on the Install button. Then, after a couple of seconds, Optifine will successfully be installed. So now we've done this, click on OK, and we can go ahead and trash the Optifine installer from our Mac if you wish to do so. Now Optifine has been installed, we just need to install the Fresh Animations resource pack. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher, and in the Profiles drop-down menu, select the Optifine version we just installed. If you don't see this, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. Once Minecraft is opened, click on the Options button, and then click on Resource Packs, and then click on Open Pack Folder. It should appear now. We simply want to drag and drop the Fresh Animations resource pack into this folder, just like this. Now we've done that, exit out of the folder, and it should appear here in Minecraft. Now you want to click on this arrow button to move it from the Available column to the Selected column. Now, make sure it's at the top, and it's above the default pack like this. And now we've done that, click on Done, and Minecraft will refresh after a couple of seconds. Now we've done this, the Fresh Animations resource pack has successfully been installed. So now you want to click on Done, and then you want to click on Single Player, and you can start using it just as you normally would. So I've just spawned into my new world, and as you can see, the Fresh Animations resource pack is successfully working. Bear in mind that we also installed Optifine, which is a performance mod as well. So we can access these settings by going to the menu and clicking on Options, and then you want to click on Video Settings, and you can edit these video settings here. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching.